Toronto is back. So we are officially out of lockdown and stay-at-home orders. Finally! And obviously we need to celebrate, but hold on, it's still not fully open. So the government of Ontario has created a proper roadmap to reopen. So it'll be done in 3 phases. Now it's the first phase that has reopened. The stores are open, but the malls are still shut. But only the stores that has street entrance, they are open. And also outdoor patios are open as well. So it was actually supposed to reopen on June 15th. But since the cases were dropping in, I think 70% of the people here in Ontario are already vaccinated. They've got their first dose. That's why our Premier Ford, he made it early. I think, yeah, June 12th is when it all opened up. So the province will remain at each phase for 21 days just to see the impact. And if things work well, we will be in second phase in no time. So in that phase, the salons and everything will open. But for now, we at least have the patios and stores to enjoy. So now let's not waste time and go to the first store after so many months. Also, non-essential stores are open as well, but with 15% capacity. So obviously that means there are going to be huge lines everywhere. Guess which store am I going to? You should know it, HomeSense. So yeah, let's wait. I think it's going to take another 15-20 minutes. It's not a huge line, thankfully. So we should be able to go inside.
Knock it down like boom, 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 boom. I knock it down like boom, 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 boom. I knock it down like boom, 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 boom. I knock it down like boom, 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 boom.
It feels so nice to be back in the store, finally. Well, I don't really have to buy anything, but just fine to come for a round. Maybe I'll get something. I don't know, let's see. Only if I really need something. And I was actually thinking it will be all empty, but thank God, it's still fine. It's still okay, they still have stock. This is so cute. Should we take this?
Yeah, why not?
Only for $20. Not bad. I need a lot of things for my workspace because it's so empty. But for that I'll come later because we have got some other plans.
You badly need this, Pooja.
Yeah.
Jewelry organizer.
Yeah, I badly need this because my accessories, my earrings, everything is just everywhere. I'm gonna take this. To finally dine in outside. And now it's time to go to a patio, and we are going to a rooftop patio. It's called The Porch. I have actually not been here, but the views from this place seems pretty nice. It has a proper CN Tower view. And by the way, it's on the Adelaide Street, and let's not waste time and let's go because we have our booking for 6:30 p.m. I'm excited. Are you excited as well?
Super excited. After ages we're coming.
I know, after months. It says this way to the best view in the city.
Nice.
Let's see if they really have the best view in the city. It's a bit of a walk. 4th flight of stairs. Yes. It definitely has a great view. We have the view of the CN Tower from here. But okay, I'm really hungry, so first let's order. And you know the drill, we have to scan the QR code. And I'm filling the COVID contact tracing form, which we won't need this time, I'm very sure. But obviously you have to do your due diligence. All ready, Saransh?
All set. This is the first time after 6 to 8 months we have come to our patio.
I think we last came last summer.
Yeah, any cocktail?
We have like the port punch. We are gonna give you like a Caesar, mojitos.
Pooja, you can have these if you want any like a cocktail.
Thank you.
So we ordered cocktails. Mine is drunken mojito, and Saransh ordered some watermelon drink.
Cheers, Peekapoo.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Never let you go. I love the way we roll.
It feels so nice, guys, to be out and enjoying drinks on a patio. Wow. And guys, this summer if you want to go to any patios, make sure that you reserve in advance, otherwise you will not get any place, trust me. It's all full and they're not accepting any walk-ins. And thank God I booked this in advance, but do that. It's still a little chilly, it's June, but yeah, it's still a little cold. I should have got a jacket. And we ordered some fries. So these are Cali fries. This has sour cream. It's like a Mexican type of fries. It's actually okay. I was expecting a lot from this, but it's just okay. So they have Bulldog drinks. They are very, very popular, but sadly today they did not receive their LCBO order, so we couldn't really try them, so we are just having normal cocktails. But if you come here, definitely you should check out the Bulldog cocktails for sure.
Enjoy, guys.
Thank you.
And we have ordered a fish sandwich. It's called Fish Witch. Let's try it. Wow, this is really good. The fish is so soft. You should definitely try this for sure if you're here. Saransh having fun.
I'm enjoying so much, don't even ask. It feels so nice to be out with so many people around after so long.
Never let you go. I love the way we roll.
Alright, thank you guys so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Good night. Enjoy the beautiful weather. Enjoy the views. Okay.
Yeah,
Let's go.
let's go.
Hey guys, so it's day 2 and I'm again out because I'm just going crazy. Everything is open and today I have to go to my favorite store again, Zara. How can I not go there? Let's see if I'm able to get in any of the stores because I know it's going to be crazy again today. I'm on my way and I can already see a lot of people on the streets. So you guys saw there's a huge line there and I obviously can't get in. Maybe let's try H&M. I'm sure there's a huge line up there as well. We will have to wait for some time to get in stores because this is how it's going to be. So I couldn't even go to H&M and now I'm wondering where to go. I think maybe I'll have to wake up like early and just when stores open up at like 9 AM or whenever, I should just hit them up then. Yeah, coming at 4 o'clock wasn't a good idea. Let's see how it is in the morning some other day. But now I'm thinking maybe I should get a coffee at a patio because I don't really have to just grab and go. I can sit and have it. So guys, I had no luck at any of the stores, but now I just grabbed a bike and now I'm heading to King Street West where there are a lot of patios. So let's see if I get a coffee shop where I can sit, but really I've lost all hopes now. Okay, so I was literally going in circles and I couldn't really find any spot. I did find a lot of patios, but there was no proper coffee shop. But I just found one on King Street West. It's the Aroma Espresso Bar. Well, I've been to this place a lot of times, so I was actually searching for a new coffee shop. But it's okay, I've never been to their patio, so that's a new thing. Yeah, let's not waste time and let's go to Aroma Espresso Bar. Okay, so I'm there and they definitely have a lot of place for me. So let's get an iced latte. Thank you. Thank you. That's such a way for you. Oh, thank you. So finally got a place, guys, and this is actually a cute patio. There are a lot of flowers all around. And it's just right on the street at King Street West, which is a very popular street here in downtown. So I'm having iced latte and this is pretty good. Do you also have iced coffees in summers and hot coffee in winters? Are you like me? Let me know in the comment section below, because Saransh only enjoys hot coffee all throughout summer, winter, doesn't matter. But yeah, I need my cold coffee in summers. Cheers, guys. And hey guys, let me know in the comment section below, what did you guys do when the lockdown opened in your city? So this is how I spent my first 2 days, and I would love to know what you did as well. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to update you guys with what's happening in Toronto. Yes, things are open. I was finally able to go to a patio, to a coffee shop and to a store as well yesterday, to HomeSense, which is great. And yeah, now I can't wait for phase 2 to open up so that we can finally go to salons. I don't even remember when was the last time I visited salon. I guess this was in November, when I went to get my hair colored. That's it. And I hope you liked today's vlog, and if you did, you know what you have to do. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will really mean a lot to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.